Good morning, my dear students. Today, we are going to cover the topic article writing and report writing. This topic we have already covered in class 11th very thoroughly. So, I'm just going to revise this topic with you so that it comes back to you and you are able to attempt it in your examination. So, first of all, article. So, what is an article? Writing an article is a very challenging task. So it needs your creativity, your vocabulary, and the thorough understanding of the subject. Now, first of all, I would like to tell you that what is the format of article. First of all, when an article comes in the exam, see the format of an article. You have to write the title or the heading. Then under that, you have to write the name of the article. Then the whole article can be divided into 3 paragraphs. First paragraph is the introduction, then is the middle paragraph, and then is the concluding paragraph. So this is the format of a write article. First of all, title or heading, then name of the writer, then introductory paragraph, then you have a paragraph which is the middle paragraph which gives the more description of that particular article or the topic which you are covering, and third is the conclusion, that is the concluding paragraph. So your article should be in 3 paragraphs. So remember, an article should be in 3 paragraphs. Now let's see what is the format of sample of an article. Now suppose write an article for a newspaper in about 150 to 120 words on the topic the problems of unemployment. So you will copy this format in your notebooks as it is. Okay. So first of all, we will write the problem of unemployment in India. That's the heading. As you can see, the title. Then after that, if the name is given in the article, then write the name. But if the name is not given, you can write by XYZ or by ABC, whatever you feel like. Then we have an introductory paragraph, then the descriptive paragraph or the description of the article, and last is the concluding paragraph. So this you have to write in your notebooks as it is. I am focusing on this. So first is the title or the heading, then the writer, the name of the writer, then we have the introductory paragraph, then the middle paragraph or descriptive paragraph, and last but not the least is the conclusion or the ending paragraph. So these are the 3 paragraphs in which the article is divided. Now the article which you will write this article in your notebooks, the problem of unemployment, and then you will write one more article, write an article in 150 to 120 words on the topic human trafficking to be published in the school magazine, right? So you can write your own name if the name is not given by, or you can write by XYZ or by ABC. So I hope the format is absolutely clear to you, because this we have already covered in class 11. Now moving on to the next topic, we will move on to the next topic, that is report writing. This also we have covered in detail in our class 11th. So basically a report is a description of an event or an investigation of an issue or a problem. It may be objective analysis or evaluation of something. It is a vivid expression of a person's experience. There are 2 types of report. Report can be written for a newspaper, and there can be reports on events or functions. Okay, so you have to write. Purpose of writing a report is to give information about an event or a function, or it can be for a newspaper reporting involving some accident. Now what is the format of report writing? Note down the format. First of all, headline. Headline should be catchy and brief. Then the name of the reporter. See, this is the sample, that is the headline should be catchy. Then the name of the reporter, then you will write the place and the date, and then you will start writing the report. So this is the format of a report. See, this is a report. What does the report says? Rishikesh is popular in India for river rafting. A well-known rafting guide gets drowned in the river after saving the Delhi tourist. Write a report to be published in a local daily covering this rafting mishap in about 150 to 200 words. Now, first of all, you will write a headline, catchy headline, that is rafting guide drowns after saving 6 lives. Then you have to write down the name of the reporter. See, these two things are the same as article, but the only addition in report writing is that you have to write the place and the date. This is very important. Okay, and then again report will be again in 3 paragraphs. Like the first paragraph will be the opening paragraph, then the detailed paragraph, and then the conclusion. So this is the format of report writing. So I hope both the formats of article writing and report writing are absolutely clear to you. Tomorrow I will send you some practice questions, one of article, one of report. Today you just copy these two samples, one of article writing and one of report writing, which tells you the proper format of article writing and report writing in your notebooks. Tomorrow I will send you one sample, one question to solve of article writing and report writing, which you will do in your notebooks. That's all for today, and have a nice and wonderful day ahead.